Hello and welcome to the 8th video in the Become a Blogger series. My name is Leslie Samuel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first blog post and blog page. Inside this video, I'm first going to talk about how to create a blog post, and in that section, I'm going to show you how to add and edit text and how to create categories. Then, I'm going to show you how to create a blog page. And in that section, I'm going to talk about how to add a page, the importance of an about page, and other recommended pages. So let's get right into it. Creating a blog post is very simple. In order to do so, you need to log into your WordPress admin area at yourdomain.com/wp-admin. In the Post tab, click on Add New, and then you add the post details, edit the text, and click on Publish. Let's head on over there to see how it works. I'm in my WordPress admin area, and you can see here there's the Post tab. I can click on the disclosure triangle, and that will give me a number of different options. If I click on Posts, it will take me to this page that shows me all of the posts that are available. At the moment, there'll only be the default post, the Hello World post that we've looked at. And whenever I add another post, that will appear in this section. For now, let's get rid of the Hello World post by clicking on Trash. Now you can see there are no posts found. And if I want to create a post, I can click on Add New over here or to the top here. Let's go ahead and click on that now. This will then take me to the post editor where I can enter the title, the post content. I can select a category or add a new category, and I can assign some post tags. I've already typed a post, so I'm going to go to my text editor and copy the post that I've already typed so that I can paste it in this section. This is the post that I've typed. First, I'm going to copy the title. And paste that into the title section. And then I'm going to copy the post and paste that into the post area. Now there are a number of ways that I can edit this post. I can make certain things bold, italicized. I can add an unordered list and a number of different features. I can add links and images. And for right now, we're going to look at some of the basic features. For example, here I have a section that says Step 1. I can choose to select that and click on Bold. Then, in this paragraph, I talk about using Namecheap. If I'd like to link to Namecheap, I can do that by selecting Namecheap and then clicking on the Insert or Edit Link icon. And then I can link to www.becomeablogger.com/Namecheap. Then I can add a title, Namecheap. I can specify that I'd like it to be opened in a new window. And then click on Add Link. Now I'm going to go through and make some customizations, and then when I'm finished, we're going to preview the post. I am finished with my editing, so I'm going to come over here and click on Preview. And here you can see my post has been added, and you can see some of the sections are bold. I have some links, and I even have a part that's italicized. So you can go through and customize the post to look how you would like it to look. Once you're done, you can assign a category. If there's no category available that corresponds with your post, you can always add a new category. You need to enter the name of that category and then click on Add New Category. Once you've done that, that category will be available for any posts you do in the future, and in this case, it will be selected. Then you can scroll down and enter some post tags. These are some keywords that are relevant to your post and will give your website visitors easy access to be able to find your post by doing a search. For example, in this post, since it's about setting up your website, I can put things like hosting, domains, domain registration, Namecheap, and HostGator. Once I've done that, I can click on Add. When I am satisfied with the post, I will click on Publish. Once it's published, it will tell me that the post is published. And if I go to the website, you will see that the most recent post is the post that we just entered. Now that we've looked at how to create a blog post, let's look at how to create a blog page. Now you're probably wondering, what is the difference between a blog post and a blog page? Well, the main difference between the page and the post is that blog pages are typically static pages. These are pages that don't change unless you go in to change them specifically. Blog posts are dynamic and they are shown in chronological order when you come to the blog. Pages allow for permanent access to important content. The process for creating a blog page is very similar to creating a post. So let's go on over to the WordPress admin area and take a look. I'm back in the WordPress admin area, and instead of going to posts, I'm going to go to pages. You will see that there's a sample page set up. I no longer need this page, so I'm going to go ahead and send it to trash. And then if I want to create a page, I can click on Add New. You will notice that this looks very similar to the post editor, where you can enter a title and the content. However, there's no section for you to select the category or add tags. So if I'm creating an About page, I can simply put the title as About. And then in the post content area, for now, I'm just going to write something very simple. And I'm doing this just for illustration purposes. Just like with a post, when you're finished and you're satisfied with the content, you can click on Publish. Once your page is published, you can go to the website, and depending on your theme, you will then see the About page is available. And if I click on that, you will see that it says this is where I talk about who I am and what the site is about. I have successfully created a blog page. Now that we know how to create a blog page, let's talk about the importance of an About page. About pages are very important because it lets your website visitors know who you are and what your site is about. When someone comes to your website, this is one of the first things they usually look for. And by having an About page that gives the details that they need, you are increasing the likelihood that they will come back to your site. It also helps you to build credibility, and it helps you establish a bond with your visitors. Let's take a look at how Yarrow does it on his Entrepreneur's Journey website. I'm on the About page for Entrepreneur's Journey, and as you can see, it gives you details as to what you're going to find at the site, who Yarrow Starak is, and it gives details about his courses and even a video showing how he makes money online, and some articles that shows who he is and exactly what this site is about. You can also find press photos of him and a number of other details. So you can see it gives information and it's personal, and it helps establish a bond with his website visitors. Now I'd like to talk about some other recommended pages. These pages come in very handy depending on the purpose of your blog. For example, you can have a page with a list of your best content, a page that links to relevant sites in your niche, a page selling your products or services, or a page with important info that is relevant to your target audience. Let's look at some examples. Here I am at my site at learningwithleslie.com, and I'm on the articles page, and on this page I list some of my best articles so that if someone comes to my site and they want to find more content, they can find content that I would recommend for them to check out. And if we go to Gideon's website at gideonshalwick.com, you will see that there's a page with online video export settings. Now, Gideon teaches how to use online video, and there's a high likelihood that people that are interested in his site would be looking for export settings. So he's created a page that gives all of the details that you need to know in order to export your videos to put on YouTube and other video sites. So in review, I've shown you how to create a blog post, and in that section how to add and edit text, and how to create categories, and then we've seen how to create a blog page, and in that section how to add a page, the importance of an about page, and other recommended pages. In the next video, I'm going to talk about what RSS is and why you need it for your blog. If you're enjoying these videos and you're ready to take your blogging to a totally new level, you will simply love our premium blogging videos. As a premium member, you'll learn how to make your blog stand out from the crowd by applying a series of easy tweaks known as our X Factor strategies, how to boost traffic to your blog using a unique set of social media tricks and tools, how to capture the attention of your followers so they stick around and tell all their friends about you, helping you get even more traffic, and much, much more. Trust me. To see what other videos you can get access to, simply go to becomeablogger.com/upgrade and follow our easy steps. This is Leslie Samuel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.